Applied Materials is the leader in materials engineering solutions used to produce virtually every new chip and advanced display in the world today. For over 55 years, our innovations have improved the lives of billions of people across the globe who may never know our name, but who rely on us each day as they interact with technology. In recent years, on the back of strong innovation cycles in markets such as cloud and electrification and AI, Applied Materials has seen tremendous growth. Our supply chain became more important than ever. So we looked to how to drive greater efficiency in our process, as well as our processes, as well as how to strengthen our supply chain health. Our previous solution had supplier fees that had hindered adoption greatly. Additionally, our accounts payable process was both cumbersome and hard to scale. To address these challenges, we decided to implement Taulia's dynamic discounting solution. Taulia's dynamic discounting solution provides our suppliers early payment capability through an automated option. In exchange, they get a discount on their invoice. This means our suppliers can typically access lower cost access to funding than they might otherwise receive, while at the same time harnessing their working capital to invest in growth and innovation. With no supplier fees, our user-friendly platform and self-service functionality, it was much more attractive option for our supply chain partners. Taulia has actively also promoted the solution to our supply chain partners. And additionally, they work to efficiently onboard them through their effective change management process. This meant we were able to scale rapidly across our global supply base. We were executing fully on the platform within just 12 months. Because we could implement quickly, we could also yield results quickly. Performance and income generation on the platform has steadily increased each year since implementation. And in just the past 12 months, hundreds of suppliers across 16 countries have actively taken advantage of this early payment option. Taulia has benefited our suppliers with greater flexibility by enabling predictive and reliable access to liquidity. But at the same time, it has also enabled Applied Materials to significantly improve our AP process. Thank you.